All right, today I have a Mini Countryman Fob Key, and I'm going to show you how to use this Mini Countryman Fob Key. I'm going to show you how to unlock, lock, open the trunk, how to get the key out, how to change the battery on it. All right, a lot going on here, but before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. So here is the Mini Countryman Fob Key, and I'm going to go through the controls as well as how to get the key, physical key out of it and change the battery. So we're going to start at the top. If you can see at the top, there is a unlock button. If I press this, it unlocks the car, okay? If you go down a little bit, you'll see this middle button right here. This locks the vehicle. So I press that, it will lock the vehicle. And this button right here will open the trunk of the vehicle if I press this button right here. So there is the unlock, the lock, and the open the trunk. Now I'm going to show you how to get the physical key out of the fob. All right, so I'm going to go right here. I'm going to press this button on the side. Do you see this button? I'm going to press that. And when I press that, the fob, the physical key comes out of the fob key, right? And when I want to replace it, all I have to do is go ahead and press this back in like that, snaps back into place and ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Mini Cooper fob key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same process of pressing this side button right here and getting the key out. And then I'm going to take this and then I'm going to take the key in and just wedge it right here and I'm going to twist. Actually, yeah, I'm going to twist it. And that was not supposed to happen. And then you just get under here and you take the key and then you pop it and it comes up a little bit on the side. And I'm able to just go ahead and take my finger or maybe the key, I go on this side, pop it. Once it comes up like this, you're able to take that off. Now that I've taken that off, I can just take the key right here, put it in, and just lift up, just like that. And then it exposes the battery right here. And so in order to get the battery out, I'm gonna go ahead and just tap on this a little bit. Get the battery out. Gonna get something really quick. I'm gonna get some tweezers. I'm actually gonna come up to the side and pick it up like that, and the battery comes out. And so here is the battery, right here. It is a CR 2032. So you get a new CR 2032, and then you take it, the fresh battery, the flat side, you see there's a flat side and there's a side with that's not entirely flat. It's curved on the edges. You're gonna take the flat side or the positive side, and that's always gonna be facing upwards. So I'm gonna take this, slide it that way into place, lock it into place like this. Press it down, and then it should catch the hook on the top. And once that all is all in place, I'm gonna go ahead and take this cap on here and put it back the way that I found it, which was is it this way? Just put this in like that. Yeah, this side up right here. It's a little tricky. Take that and just press it down and it locks into place just like that. So once I have that, I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to place this one in up first. I'm going to get this into place and make sure it lines up. See that? Sandwich it down. Make sure this is right back in here. And just so you know, this may fall out when you're taking your key fob out right here. This little button right here may fall out. I'm just going to show it to you so you have an understanding of what might go wrong. I'm going to go ahead and take that, press it in. See, this might come out. In order to get this back in, getting closer for you guys. Take this groove side downwards, and I'm going to go ahead and place this right here. Push it in, and it fits in there securely. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to place this on first. It's important that you place this on first and make sure that lines up like that. Everything's secure. And then the final touch is taking the back cover and placing it down this side first, like here. It has latches on the side, like that. Slaps into place like that. And then you can go ahead and take your fob key and press it in, and it locks into place. And that is how you change the battery on a Mini Cooper or Countryman right here. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.